Hey boys and girls! Today we're going to be making a zoo snack mix for Carnival Week. So I'm going to be starting off with some pretzels. About this much of the pretzels. I'm going to be adding in the animal crackers. Putting in the M&Ms. Just sprinkle these all over. Be adding in some goldfish. Me and Miss Amelia decided that we're gonna melt some chocolate over the top of it, and we just used Hershey's milk chocolate, and we're just boiling the water, and you can just start mixing
Do
it.
this part with mommy and daddy, of course.
Yeah. You just wanna be careful
And melt the
make sure.
chocolate, and then that is gonna get drizzled on top. We'll show you.
After the chocolate was melted, we're just gonna be drizzling it on top all over. So after we mixed in all the chocolate, we're gonna be putting this into the fridge so that all of it can